Hello everyone and welcome to video number 10 in my HTML Dojo training series. In today's video we're going to be talking about meta tags. Now meta tag is basically a snippet of information that you would place on a web page for specific things like search engines, Facebook and other applications as well. Today we're just going to be concentrating on what a search engine would look for when it comes to your website. So the first piece of information it's looking for is it's looking for a title. This part here. The title itself, as far as search engines are concerned, will be displayed here. Additionally to this, they would also be looking for a meta description. So this is basically a short description of what's available on this page. Basically how meta tags work is it's a meta name, so it's basically what the snippet of information is and what the text is for that specific meta description. So this is a description that search engines look for. So the meta name description is what would show up here. Now when doing this, there's a couple of things that you have to be aware of. One, you want a keyword in there. So for myself, I use mobile website designer and I've got it both in my title and in my description. Additionally to keywords, you want to sell your product. So you basically want to give people a reason, because this is what they'll see when they find you in a search engine. You want to be able to give them a reason to click on your link. And I'm basically going to tell them that, hey, look, we can build new websites and convert older websites so that they look great on all devices. So basically what I'm doing is I'm targeting a specific market group. I'm looking for a specific market that is either A, looking for a new website, or B, looking to convert older websites so they look great on all devices. So the two things that you need to include in both your title and your description is a keyword of some sort that basically wraps up that specific page in a nutshell. And additionally to that, you just want a little bit of a sales pitch. Now, additionally to a sales pitch, you may also want to include things like a phone number, because a lot of times when people are searching search engines, they're actually just looking for a quick way to find phone numbers to contact those people for quotes. So if you're a local type business and you're open to getting phone calls throughout the day, you may also want to include a phone number inside your description as well. So I might actually say, for more information, call blah blah blah, and my phone number in there. Now while I'm talking about keywords and meta tags, I want to talk to you about another meta tag that was specifically used for keywords in the past. And what I mean by in the past is back in the days when there weren't as many websites and Google's algorithm wasn't really that clever, so it couldn't really figure out for itself what a page was about. It used to rely on you telling you exactly what that page was about. And we could do this by literally just listing heaps of keywords or heaps of keyword sentences that were relevant to our page. We might be able to do like keyword 1, boys clothes, kids shoes, pendants, this sort of thing. Obviously you'd have one topic for your specific web page, but there was a time where we could literally tell Google and other search engines exactly what our page was about, and they would take that keyword list as gospel, basically. Yep, you're telling us it's this, we're just going to believe you. Because at the time, they didn't really have a way to figure out whether or not you were telling the truth or not. However, technology has come a long way since then. Google has introduced a whole lot of different updates and a whole lot of different algorithms to get it to a stage where it no longer needs to rely on you to tell it what the page is about. It will actually just search the text and the code on the page and figure out for itself whether or not or what your page is about. So for the most part in today's times, keywords don't hold as much relevance, they don't hold as much value as what keywords used to in the past. You can still go ahead and add them, but just be aware that they're not really as valuable as what they used to be. And I'm going to wrap this video up there. In the next video we'll talk about what Facebook is looking for as far as meta tags are concerned, and we'll move on from there. So join me over there and I'll see you in a bit.